In the field of chiropractic, the term alignment has been used to describe an optimal positioning of the joint. The challenge with that is it insinuates that a joint has an ideal position that it has to stay in, but this describes a static position. And we as human beings are dynamic and designed to move. And so the thought that there is one position that joint needs to be in creates a little bit of confusion. Hi, I'm Dr. Zach Ratliff, sports chiropractor at TruMotion Therapy here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And we specialize in the conservative management of musculoskeletal injuries, which means that we treat pain without the use of drugs or surgical interventions. So the opposite of alignment being sometimes described in our field as a bone out of place also insinuates that there is something way more significant happening. By most orthopedic standards, a bone out of place would be a dislocation, and it is not for a chiropractor to be dealing with. So the better explanation of what is happening with our joints, whether that be the spine or in an extremity, is a joint that has some restriction in its movement. That means that joint might be fine in one position, but it doesn't have the ability to move through its full motion freely and fluidly. Now, when we use our joints, the body will adapt to be really good at the positions we find ourselves in the most. And so the hard part about that is most of us find ourselves in static positions for long periods of time, whether that be driving or sitting in front of the computer for work. Now, when our body acclimates to that position, it might lose its ability to go the opposite direction. So when we're locked into a computer, we tend to lead with our chin, our shoulders round forward a little bit. That means we might lose the ability or be restricted into pulling those shoulders back, pulling that head back, or being able to turn the head freely or without issue. So the better explanation, instead of alignment, is restoring full range of motion in the joint. One, it explains a little bit more of the dynamic nature of our body, as well as describing that we are not meant to be in one static position and that there is not only one right position that our joints can rest in. I hope that helps clear up some of the confusion around the term alignment. If that did resonate with you, I would encourage you to check out our website at TruMotionTherapy.com for more information, as well as the ability to schedule an appointment with one of our providers. At our office, we take a modern approach to chiropractic care, which encompasses, of course, the chiropractic adjustment, as well as muscle work, myofascial release, rehab therapies, as well as some other tools such as dry needling, laser therapy. All of these things help create a comprehensive treatment plan for our patients, enabling us to diagnose the root cause of the issue, and then also make a long-standing plan to keep you out of pain and the ability to reach the goals set before you.